Hello everyone, hope you are doing very well today. I'm shooting a video for one of my favorite things to grow, which is sweet corn. So I'm going to show you how I start my sweet corn. I'm starting mine now, and I normally grow my sweet corn with some peas and beans. I grow them kind of the same time, so 2 weeks apart of each other, but today I'm just going to do sweet corn and some green peas, and maybe a week after or 2 weeks after I will do my beans. And I tend to grow them together, so the peas and the beans will act as a nitrogen for the sweet corn when it's growing, and I can use the sweet corn as a trellis for the beans and peas. I hope I'm making sense what I'm trying to say, but I will show you when I get to that stage anyway. So I normally use what we call root trainer. I've been using this for nearly 3 years, so I like this because it just helps with the root formation. So that's the reason why I use root trainer. And this one is 4x8, so this is 32 cell, and I've got 5 by 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, so I've got 5 by 9, so this is 45 cell, while this is 32. So I'm just going to show you what I'm going to be doing. So I've got some, this is sweet corn double standard. I've got the red one, which is called double red, and I've got this one that I saved from last year. So I've got some seeds saved from last year, so these are my seeds saved for last year, but I'm planning to use them for cornmeal. So back to the task for today. So how do you grow your sweet corn? It's pretty easy. If you don't have this root trainer, don't worry about it at all. You can use any pot of your own size, but I just use it. It's just easier for me. So when I'm ready to plant it to the final destination, I just take it out one by one from the cell and I just put in the hole. So what I do is just, these are the seed. So the seed, the double standard one, I got it from Sweet Organic, and that's the double standard. But the other seed I've got, they're also organic seed. So what you just do is I just put one per cell. I just take it down, put one like that, put one like that, and you just put it like that, and you cover it up. And what I do is I get my mist. I've got like a mist bottle of water that I've prepared, and I just cover it with, make sure it's covered. Then you just mix it. And what I do is this root trainer, they've got cover, and the cover is here. Sorry about that. And that's it, and I just cover it. This is done. I just cover it, and then a couple of days it should start coming out. And once I start coming out, I'll remove the cover, and I will show you the next stage once they fully develop. So I will show you when I'm growing them into my final destination. But that's how you grow sweet corn. It's pretty easy. It's not a difficult task to do. And for the peas, for the same process, I just take one piece. I just put one in there. I just put one in the hole like that. Put in a hole like that. Put in a hole like that. And you just, make sure it's covered. Cover it. Mix it with water. The same process as the sweet corn. And you just cover it. Once you're done, you cover it like that, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any question, please let me know. Have a wonderful day and enjoy the weather, and be safe out there. Bye.